Now guys, we're gonna pack up our stuff and we're gonna head out into the airport. Our flight's tonight back home. Then we have a 2.5 hour, or sorry, no, my bad, an hour and a half drive from home. From the Gold Coast back home. So we'll probably reach at midnight. So yeah, everybody that's watching now, wish us luck.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Alrighty guys, so it's my first time on a train. Very first time. Yeah, so heading to Southern Cross. This is the view out there. City is massive. Yeah guys.
For all those that know what churros is.
Yeah. Shot. Yeah guys, so we're just here at the train station. Waiting on a friend basically. You know, he's an artist. I believe he's a reggae dancehall artist that met through Instagram, right? Instagram he messaged me through, and he lives out here in Melbourne, and yeah, he's actually on his way to come link up with us right now. You see me, and yeah, maybe you guys will get to see him on camera, I don't know yet, but yeah man.
Might be able to see him on, I like the idea, just depends.
Yeah, so we don't know yet, but either way, we're just here at the train station. You know, just
we'll ask him ladies if he's single.
Oh my god. But yeah man.
You ladies, not for me, obviously.
Yeah. Can him have the patois locked too, cause reason with him on WhatsApp and all that, so I'm definitely into the culture. Yeah man, so yeah. If anything, you guys will see him on camera, alright? Blessings.
Alright guys, guess what? We're here with Damaja. They says it better than me.
Yeah man, so this is the guy we were telling you about, you know, so his name is Damaja. He's into reggae, dancehall, you know, he's definitely deep in the culture. He knows a lot and all that, and yeah, it's the first time linking up with him. We were just reasoning with him a while ago, and yeah, so you wanna introduce yourself?
Yeah man, I'm name Damaja, you know. Yeah. Don't know, so I come to Australia in 1988. Local reggae drummer. I'm a Rasta man in my first band from Portland, and then the second band we make, and the first dancehall band in Australia, 1992, and that man was Stick Maribo. He's a famous Jamaican, and me learned to chat from that man, you know, and take up the mic. 16, 17 years old, 30 years locked down Australia, reggae music, you know.
Yeah
man.
Yeah, so you went to Jamaica to learn the language, or did you like grow up around Jamaicans, or what was it like?
In England,
Oh, in England?
Yeah, so I get the drum kit when I'm 4 years old.
Oh,
so
okay.
we know reggae music since way back when.
Yeah.
We learn to chat when we come to Australia. And when we're 16 years old, hiding in my bedroom, I'm just learn and learn and learn.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
man.
them say we get better when we go to Jamaica and when we come back, then we bust stage.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so that's really great, you know? Yeah, man, so...
And ladies, he's single!
Yeah. Yeah, and he said he watched our videos and, you know, he was in a long distance relationship before. You know, I don't know if you want to tell them about that and, yeah. Yeah,
man, look, the COVID, 25th of March 2020, there was no planes in America, there was no planes in Australia, so my ex-wife and me, we had to make a decision, you know.
Yeah.
She's Black American, and she's got 2 kids over there, and she's a teacher in the lowest paid teacher state. So, you know, I knew automatically she's got to do her thing. I got to do my thing. And, so, you know.
Yeah.
But so ladies, only genuine ladies, right?
Yeah, only the real thing.
Yeah, and
me not left my yard for nothing, you know.
Yeah. You hear that?
I love it.
Yeah, man. So, guys, you have a YouTube channel with your music and things?
Yeah.
So we'll link that down in the description and also his Instagram, so you guys can check him out and
and send a DM.
Yeah, man, because
send it to him.
we'll be working together as well, guys, so stick around for that. Yeah, man. So
for real.
yeah, damage.
Yo, glad we make this link, you know.
Yeah, man. It's a vibe, you know. Alright.
Yeah.
And also, guys, he brought us a few gifts, you see me? So Jamaican callaloo in a can. You see it? First time I gonna try it, but definitely excited because we can't get callaloo at all here in Australia. So, and he brought us some jerk seasoning as well. So, and Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Yo, it's a vibe, man. Really give thanks. So, appreciate it. So make sure to check him out, guys. His YouTube channel and also his Instagram.
Hey guys, we're at the airport.
Yeah.
We look extremely tired.
It's been stressful. Yeah, Island is sleeping. Well, I guess he's not anymore.
After we just went through security and everything, he's so heavy.
We couldn't even vlog as much because we had both hands full with bags and all of that.
Like literally, have a look at our baggage.
Yeah, so we have all of this, you know, carrying and thing like that. So yeah, but because Island was sleeping too, it was kind of difficult because we about to whole Island.
I'm just one.
Yeah. So
anyways, we just wanted to say big ups to I can't say his name.
Damager. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to meet you, man.
Yeah, man, and thanks for the gifts too.
Thank you so much. He got us some nice gifts, as you can see.
Yeah, man.
He's definitely one of our first subscribers that actually met us here in Australia.
For real, big time.
That's what we haven't met anybody else, have we?
No, we haven't.
I'm trying to think. No, we haven't.
No, we haven't.
So,
but there's so many people to meet already. Jamaican friends and all that.
Yeah, definitely. So we're ready to come out to link up with you guys.
Yeah, wherever you are.
Wherever
we'll be
you
there.
are, you know. It'll be a vibe.
Yeah, man.
You know, we look forward to meeting all our subbies.
Sure.
And we can have a coffee or just talk, chat.
Yeah.
You know, we just met up randomly at the train station.
Yeah.
You know? So it was good. We could spend a good hour and a bit with him.
Yeah, chatting
away about music and life things, and
everything.
you know, we really feel honoured that we inspired many people.
Yeah, man.
You know, in regards to our relationship, and you know, during COVID and things, like how things sort of evolved for us.
Yeah.
As you all know. If you're new to the channel, please go over to Babe's channel and check out our very first vlogs that we used to do. Babe will put the link down below so you guys can see how we started.
Yeah,
you know.
That's where the first set of videos are.
They're quite cringy, I'm not going to say.
Yeah, and some of them are, you know, a bit raw than the family channels, so, you know.
But you know, we really enjoyed our time here in Melbourne, though sadly we have to go back.
Yeah, we just came for the weekend.
Yeah, we did say we are going to come back.
Yeah.
But that might take some time because we still want to go visit other places, you know, at the moment, because you know, work and everything, it kind of in the way, but you know, who knows, maybe sooner or later we'll go international.
Yeah.
So
yeah, man.
Alright.
I hope you guys really enjoy this little adventure, you know, seeing Melbourne through our lens, and you know, experiencing it with us as well.
Because we've never been here before, so you may see at some parts of this vlog we were a bit stressed out because we didn't know where we were going.
We were confused and
yeah, just crazy. And having a child just about to turn 2, it's not easy. So I give it up to all the parents out there that do lots of traveling on the often or the regular, because it's not easy, for sure.
Yeah.
I wish he was a baby. When he was a little baby, it was easy to travel with him. Now it's hard. But anyway, it's all good. It is what it is. So, bless up, guys.
Yeah. And
we'll catch you back in our little hometown casino.
Yeah. So we'll close off then.
Yeah.
So until then.
Until then. Bye. Hey. Mister. Hey. What did I tell you? Come sit down here. Island. Hey. These little islands, terror moments. Hey.
Hello everyone, Jetstar now welcomes customers travelling on Jetstar Flight JQ582 to Brisbane